Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. A lot of subscribers asking for stock selection videos. We have around 10 to 12 videos in channel already made way back, but still people are asking. So I just show you how to go and see the stock selection videos. Click the playlist button here and see here stock selection and strategies to use. You know, there are 11 videos in it. If you click this and you have all the 11 videos here, you can go through them and whatever that you find, you can work with them, you know, and all these stock selection methods are very good. But today we'll see one stock selection method where once you select, you can work with the same stocks for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, even up to 6 months also. So we'll see now how to, select the stocks and how to use them more appropriately. So what if you comfortable go here and watch all these videos as next 2 days or weekend, so use them. Which one you find easy, then use them. Or else we'll go through one stock selection method today and stick to that and you can use them. Now let us work for the stock selection method, how to get them. Very simple, very easy, more accurate. Now see, we see the volatility based on Nifty movement. Suppose per day, how many points Nifty moves? From 0 to 300, 350, and very rarely we'll see 400 points. And in Nifty, current Nifty is 22,125. That means if Nifty moves 1%, then that means 220 points move. So in general, the stocks which are associated with Nifty also move in a similar way. But if you get a few stocks, if Nifty moves 1%, the stocks should move more than that. If Nifty moves 1%, then associated stocks must move 1.5%, 2%, 2.5%, 3% or more. In that case, what will happen? That time, these stocks will move one direction to get you 2% or even more returns, 3%, 4%. Sometimes if you go for mid cap stocks or even small cap stocks, in a single day, those stocks will give you 5 to 10% also. So you should careful now. You are a fresher, then get the stocks from large cap stocks. If you are very comfortable making good money, then you have a good strategy with associated with that and you are working well and good. Then you can jump into the mid cap stocks. Then you can jump into the small cap stocks. But as a fresher or around 2 years experience person, my suggestion, go and get large cap stocks, and then after 1 year like that, you add two stacks from mid cap and two stacks from stocks from small cap stocks. Let us see now how to get the stocks. Did you hear about ticker tape? This is a website. Lot of trading fraternity follows this. If you click this, this is a free website. Anybody can use it. You know, just go to the scanner section. Click start scanning. Otherwise, use this link, you'll directly come into the web page. Now, there are 4,900 stocks. In this, we need to get, you know, my suggestion, get only 8 stocks and put Nifty and Bank Nifty. Total 10, more than 10, not at all suggestible because you will be searching in the stocks itself. So from 4,900, how to select that 8 to 10 stocks? Click the large cap thing. This large cap stocks we are getting around 100. Mid cap stocks 150 and small cap stocks 4,505. So what we discussed is get on to the large cap stocks. Now there are 100 large cap stocks. Now we need to filter within the 100 stocks to get some around 8 to 10 stocks. Click this add filter button and right here beta. Click the beta. Press OK. And click on beta. Go down. Now here again in beta it's saying that you want low beta, mid beta, high beta. As we selected large cap stocks, just click on high beta and just click OK. Now here one thing that just make this 1 to 4.7 high thing. In 100 stacks now we got 49. Here one more catch is that just scroll this extreme right and see this beta thing. So Reliance Industries, if Nifty moves 1%, then this beta is 1. It will also move 1%. Some stocks it will move even less. So just click on beta thing. You can see these are the stocks. If Nifty moves 1%, this stock will move 2.34%. IndusInd Bank 2.32%. Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, all these are moving 2%. My suggestion, go and get from 1.5 to whatever that you want. That you need to be comfortable with the stock. Select 8 stocks. See now, we can go with the mid cap stock as well and see the beta in this. Beta will be even more, 2.5 and all. But my suggestion, don't go now. Use only large cap stocks with the high beta stocks. We'll see in the small cap section also. Can you see that? Bombay Wire and Ropes, this is 4.17. If Nifty moves 1%, this stock is moving 4.17. Orchid Pharma 3, Gayatri projects, all this, more than this kind of a percentage, these stocks will move. But there could be less liquid, volume will be bit less. So my suggestion, just go to large cap and just click on the beta. And if you are getting 1.5 to 2%, that is enough. See this IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, all these, Hindalco, Tata Motors, Axis Bank, Adani Enterprises, Shriram Finance, SBI. You can select whatever that you are comfortable, DLF. But my suggestion, select from 1.5% and above, and that stock should be, you should be very much comfortable on the chart if you go back and see the past history. Now, this is the method of stock selection where you can work day in day out, because this beta may not change that drastically until unless there is a any bad news in the particular company. Even bad news also will give you high beta where stock will fall heavily. You know, if few quarters the sales growth may not increase, and it will be something where stagnant or bit less, then the beta will come down. So we know now how to do the stock selection. You can do it with the large cap, mid cap, small cap. Small cap beta is even 4 compared to the large cap and mid cap. It's a very high. My suggestion, it may attract you to go and select that stocks, but my suggestion, work with large caps. Take 8 to 10 stocks, 8 stocks only. If more, I'll suggest you to take only 5 stocks. Day in day out, work on the 5 stocks. And my suggestion, every 15 days, go and check the beta. If the beta is more than 1.5, stick on to that stocks. The beta will be even 1 year with the same for the stocks. Only that changes will come when there is a change in the company fundamentals. Now take this stocks onto your trading terminal, and we discussed a lot of strategies. Use any one of the strategy. Induce in bank. This is today induce in bank. I put the green line. This is open high low close indicator. We have this strategy previously. I'll just tell you, if you use this 10 EMA, 10 MA, 10 SMA, 20 SMA, VWAP. These three things are there in one indicator. So I plotted this. So in this, green line is 20 SMA, red line is 10 SMA. This big line, not sure which color is, this big blue line is the VWAP line. And below that, we plotted the RSI. RSI again, we plotted on 60, 40, midline 50. Based on this, we have worked on several strategies. It will help you. Now let us see now. Today, I'm recording this on 10th May evening. See this. When price comes below VWAP and this two moving average line, and if you spot something like hammer kind of a candle, this is your entry. This is your SL. Above VWAP line is very good point, and then you can have 1:2 kind of a ratio. Again, you got an entry here up to here. See, these stocks will give you heavy moves. Not one day, probably Nifty moved only today 26 points. That's the reason even that we got a big thing. See in this, on the day first only, you got a reverse hammer and below to the VWAP line. VWAP strategy, all this watch those videos. I'm just running fast because this video is only on stock selection. See this 11 points SL, and you got it up to here. Around 50 points profit. Around 1:5 kind of a ratio you got it in this Indo-Cent Bank. So what we generally say that when price moves bit down, bring your SL back to your buy price, and then when you got 1:1.5 something like that, exit around 30% of your shares. Again another 1% exit, and rest all you can keep at the end of the day, or else when price moves back above to the 20 SMA, you can exit, or else price moves above to the VWAP, then you can exit. All right, we'll see another stock. See reverse candle profit. You can enter even here when price moves to the 10 or 20 SMA line and rejects, then your entry, this is your profit. Here also you can enter up to here your profit. And Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, these two stocks are favorite to most of the people. See this one way of big fall. Let us see even today. Today also rejection from VWAP. We find evening star kind of a candle. Only 26 points of Nifty movement. So that's the reason we are not getting much. And you got even here profit. Hindalco, again, one of the Hindalco and Tata Motors is a good companies. See here how great movement in this stock. Single start is giving multiple entry here. You can exit 1:2. Again, this is the evening star kind of a candle rejecting from BWAP and also moving averages. Entry, exit. See now you are comfortable at this RSI and see that whether rejecting from 60, you can have some kind of a confirmation. If you following my channels, then you can trace out easily. This again rejecting from here. If you take this is one resistance kind of a line VWAP and also 20 moving average. You can capture these points. Tata Motors. See when price moves above our VWAP line, if price breaks this high, then this is your profit. Axis Bank, price morning gone up, then come back and trading inside of the VWAP line. You got entry here, you got entry again at the same place and capture up to these points. Okay, hope you understand the stock selection method. And you can consider Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, all these are tradable things if you're comfortable working on options. So in Nifty, only 26 points movement. Still you see today rejecting from top VWAP and below to the price line. You got 1:2 in Nifty as well. And multiple times you got few points here and you have few points on the buy side also. And in the Bank Nifty, people, most of the people, maximum people, they only work on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty gives several opportunities to trade on. See in the morning, price rejected from VWAP. This is the entry you can capture. This is the entry you can capture up to this. This is the entry you can capture up to this. You should see that price is rejecting from VWAP. Then you can enter profit. Price is rejecting from 20 moving average. This is your profit. Everywhere you see on the bigger move side, you can capture lot of points. So you need to understand what kind of a rejection it is coming from. If you know support and resistance, draw perfectly, and then only with support and resistance you can trade as well. So hope you understand this stock selection method. In this we are taking bigger beta stocks, that is high volatility stocks list apart from the stocks that we have, and we are trading with the same stocks, and monthly once we are checking the beta of the same stock whether it is 1.5 or not, more than 1.5 or not. If any stock misses comes down beta of more than 1.5, then replace that with the another stock. And my suggestion, go with only large cap beta, high beta stocks. All right, then we'll come back with another video next Saturday, as people are behind me asking stock selection method, and they're not watching my videos. And when strategies comes, I'm referring stock selection method on previous videos on stock selection methods. Then they are asking me to send that video individually to my emails and in the WhatsApp. That's the reason I shown already. We have around 10 to 12 videos, and this video also works the best way. A lot of people, they don't want to change stocks every day because they want to draw support and resistance, all the stuff. If you keep the same stocks for 1 year, then every day morning you just have a glance and then you can start working. All right, then if you are a newcomer, then subscribe the channel, watch all the videos, and share the videos to your friends also. And thanks all the followers. Recently we have completed 1000 subscribers. I'll be coming with another strategy video next Saturday. Thank you. Bye bye.